Good morning, friends. I'm going to show you my morning routine. I'm preparing nature's feast. There are a lot of friends, so they prefer different kind of food. So I have to consider that. Fresh water is very important. Every day I change their water. Here we go, the nature's feast. You know one thing, sparrows, they don't like to eat those specialized bird food. They prefer rice and bread most. But the others, they love their food, and this is how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye.